Changing the air filter on a 2001 Ford F150 4.2 liter V6 today. It's pretty simple and straightforward. You want to check these about every 12,000 to 20,000 miles. 12,000 miles. So every second, you probably should check it every second or third oil change. There's just this little clip right here. Move that aside. Just pull this off. Little plug over here. Move that over here. You can see this one definitely needs to be changed. Have the new filter element here. Just plop it right in. Make sure it's snug. You want to line up right here. There's a little notch. You want to make sure that lines up. Get the little clamp back fully. Make sure it's all the way around. And you're done, just like that. You can order, this is the filter I used. Right here, there's the part number. It's on Amazon, and there's a link in the description to purchase it.